Have you ever come across a boat with installed solar panels on it? The chances are actually higher than you might think, as this technology has been widely used for quite some time. But what exactly makes solar boats so popular, and to what extent are they being produced today? I will answer these questions and more in today's video, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. Solar boats. Solar-powered vehicles are not only found on the road, but have also been on the water for some time. Solar boats have been manufactured and sold on a commercial scale since the early 2000s. They operate similarly to electric boats, which are equipped with an electric motor that converts electrical energy into mechanical work for propulsion. The key difference is the energy source. Solar boats primarily use solar energy generated by photovoltaic cells installed on the boat surface, unlike electric boats, which rely on stored battery power. The stored battery power is used as a backup on solar boats. The generated solar power also supplies energy to other electrical systems on the boat, such as lighting or navigation. This technology has become so popular that in addition to solar boats, smaller solar-powered ships like solar yachts and even solar ferries are now being used as transportation on water. Solar boats are, therefore, much more advanced in commercial use than solar cars and are already making a significant contribution to sustainable water transport. How much do you think a solar yacht would cost? And would you buy one if you could afford it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, also make sure to check out our next one, where I will explain how solar energy is being effectively used in aviation. And don't miss out on our educational movie on 10 fascinating solar technologies to explore the innovative ways solar energy is shaping the energy transition as one of its key players. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.